Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we're gonna unbox this right here. This is the NOBIS 45W portable battery bank, or power bank as it's called. 45 watt, 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. All right, guys. And this right here will cost you $32.99. I'm gonna give you some of the details. Give you some of the details real quick. High-speed portable phone charger with advanced PD 3.0 and QC 4.0 protocols. This battery charge can quickly charge a MacBook Pro 14 from 0 to 47 and an iPhone 15 Pro from 0 to 60 in 30 minutes. It's 20,000 milliamp hour large capacity. This power bank can charge your phone multiple times, which is airline approved. Simultaneous charging up to 4 devices. You have 2 USB-A out ports and 2 Type-C ports in and out. And you have two-way fast charging as well. You have a smart digital display. And whether it's a high-power device or one of lower current, it requires our portable battery. Accommodates all smartphones, tablets, laptops, Steam Decks, wireless earbuds, and smartphones, drones. It works with them all. So pretty decent, guys. So, hey, again, $32.99. This will be a good stocking stuffer, but hey, stay and watch the review and the unboxing. Without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. In the Eagle Eye View, this is how the box look. Came like this from Amazon. So this is how the box look. Now for $32.99, you're not gonna get a premium unboxing. You ain't gonna come with a whole bunch of stuff. Nowadays, they don't come with a whole bunch of stuff anyway. But there you go, nothing in here. We have the handbook. Now, this is a pretty thick wire. And normally it has to be thicker than normal so it can handle 45 watts. So you can see this is kind of thick, but C to C. And let's go ahead and get this. Now, this is not going to be light. This is not heavy. But again, this is not light either. We are going to give it a show you the weight of it. So this is how it looks, guys. Again, I got the green color. As you can see, USB A output, USB A output, and the USB-C output is in and out. So there you go. So you have 4 ways and 4 things can be charged at one time. You see, that's it. The only thing you have on here will be a button. And that button, you go to digital. So it's already at a 76%. All right, guys. So that's how it looks. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and weigh it, then go from there and charge it up. All right, let's get into weighing it. So you can see it's 366 grams. So you're going to have a little bit of weight. All right, so put in your book bag. You can leave it at your job, just for, emergency. But it's going to, again, give you a little bit weight. All right, so that's 366 grams. So what we're going to do, we're going to charge it up using the cord that came with it. As you can see, it's charging up. Now, it's not fast charging because you don't see the green. So we're going to take it out of there, and we're going to put it in the second one. So it does, both of them you can use to charge. They're in and out. All right, so that's cool. So we're going to use this right here. Here you go. It's fast charging because you can see the green right there. So that's telling you it's fast charging. Put it up. Fast charging. Fast charging. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it charge up for a little bit. And as you can see, I got it up to a 97% charge. All right, so guys, so we can go ahead and connect it. We're gonna use the wire came with it. As you can see, this is on at 12%. Let's get that back. 12%. So boom. It's just charging rapidly. All right. So we got that going on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take this one right here. Hopefully I can do this right. And we're gonna put this right here. There you go. All right, 36 minutes before that's charged. And then got something like this. Now, sometimes you have something small like this that you want to do, because everything is not going to be, you have like 18 big things that you want to sit up here and charge. So let's see if we can get this. And we're not going to be able to get that. Be right back. All right. I did change the wire to a black one so I can get these in over here. Okay, so we're going to take this one. See? Boom. And there it go. So right here, this is on. This is still charging up. So that's still charging, and this is still charging rapidly. So then we got one more thing to see if it charge up. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna use this right here. This should fit on this side. No, we gotta put this back. Oh, there we go. I'll bring this back up here. So the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna charge this up right here. Just get this right here. Now you see, boom. So everything is still charging up. So this is charging. As you can see, this is still charging. As you can see, this is still charging as well. Now, the thing is, once you start putting everything on here, everything's not going to be rapidly charging. I think the first thing that you put on here will be the thing this is still rapidly charging. These rest of them are not rapidly charging. Sorry, guys. So as you can see, it's down to 96%. So as you can see, all four things are charging up. Now, you can use it for a laptop, but you have to make sure that your laptop can take 45 watts or lower than 45 watts. Some of them take 30 watt. You have to have 30 watts of power, or you have to have 45 watts of power, or you have to have 60 watt, all depending on what type of laptop you have. All right, so you want to make sure that this can't charge up your laptop. Go into the manual, or look at the manufacturer and see if the USB-C port is rated for, and how much do you need, how many watts you need. Yo, I'm back to give the NOBIS 45 watt, 20,000 milliamp hour battery. My final thoughts, and get this puppy a grade. Guys, I do like it. This is the stocking stuffer. And like I said, whatever one you use to the C to C, the first thing you hook up to CC is going to get the maximum charge. So if you have two, like a cell phone or a tablet that can both be fast charge, whatever you plug up first is going to get that fast charge. So I don't kind of like that, but again, for $32.99, guys, it's not bad. So I'm going to give this puppy a B, and this is stocking stuffer approved, guys. I'm going to give this a B. If you need one, this is a good weight. I mean, it's a good weight, but it's still kind of heavy. But it's a good price, I meant to say, at $32.99, guys, for 45 watt, 20,000 milliamp hours. You can't beat that. All right, guys. So before we go, guys, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I say please like, share, subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime that we drop a brand new video. Yet again, guys, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video, guys. We got some more quick unboxings coming soon with Stalker Stuffers. So again, this is Stalker Stuffer approved, and I'll see you soon. Peace.